So to begin in this tutorial, I'm going to be making use of this beautiful silk fabric in 3 yards, and we are going to be using this to make the skirt. So if you are going to be attaching extended peplum, you need about 3 yards, but if not, I think you need about 2 yards or so. So now to continue in this tutorial, I have folded the material into 4, as we can see, and the length of the fabric is 60 inches. So I folded it into 2 first, then after folding it into 2, I folded it into 2 again, so which makes it a total of 4. And the length on one side is 30 inches and the length on the other side is 32 inches on this fold of 4. As we can see, I went ahead to take the measurement, and I have 30 inches on one side, and then on the other side I have about 32 inches. So moving forward in this tutorial now, I'm going ahead to mark the measurement of the waist, and I'm going to be making use of the hip measurement. So the hip measurement divided by 6.24, since the fabric is in a fold of 4, and I have 6.7 inches. So I'm going to mark out approximately 7 inches round. So that is what I'm going ahead to mark. I'm going ahead to mark 7 inches round. So when doing yours, you take your own individual hip measurement divided by 6.24, and whatever you get, you mark it round. Then after marking it round, you confirm that the measurement you marked is correct, then you cut out. So after cutting out, this is what I have. So this is what I have. We can see how it is. So for this now, I'm not going to be slashing any side open. I'm going to be attaching the elastic band directly without slashing the waist part open. So next now, the length of this skirt, I want it to be 23 inches. So I went ahead to mark down 23 inches on the first side. I cut out. Then on the other side, it is already 23 inches, so I didn't cut out anything. So remember that we had 60 inches of fabric in a fold of 30 inches. So we have already taken out 7 inches for the waist. So what is going to be left is just 23 inches. That is why the 4 sides are 23 inches long. So moving forward now, I'm going to go ahead to be attaching the extended peplum. I went ahead to mark the center of this skirt. Then I went ahead to cut a fabric in 8 inches long. So it's 8 inches long and it is 60 inches wide. So this material is 8 inches long and 60 inches wide for the extended peplum. So next now, I'm going to go ahead to attach it. Then when I attach it to the skirt, the sides that cannot be attached to the skirt that will be left out, I'm going to sew down. So I'll attach the first part to the front part of this skirt, then I'll also attach the other parts to the other part of the skirt. Now for the band, I went ahead to mark the measurements of the waist. Then I cut it out, and it is about 5 inches long. So I'm going to be using this elastic now in it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to mark out the waist measurement. I'm going to sew it down. Then after sewing it down, I will mark out the waist measurement on the elastic band. I left a space for where the elastic is going to pass through. So now on that elastic band, my waist measurement, I'm going to remove 7 inches. So it is actually, the waist measurement is actually 32 inches. So I'm going to remove 7, which is now going to be 25 inches. So when I remove that and I cut it out, this is what I have. So I'm going to use the safety pin to pass it out. So you can see when stretched, you see how it is when stretched. So I'll use the safety pin to pass it in the material that we have, the material we have already sewn down for the waistband. Then I'll now sew it down. So after doing that, I'll push it inside, then I'll now top stitch. I'll top stitch on it to close that area up. Now for extra reference, if you want your waistband, because my waistband is plain, so you can sew on it to give it a more defined effect. So but when you want to sew on it, as you sew along it, you have to stretch the fabric to make sure that it is straight while sewing on it. So this material is a silk material and it's not too easy to work with, so that was why I didn't go ahead to do that. But I have a tutorial where I created a waistband, another waistband. I'll be leaving it in the description box. So next, now I'm going to go ahead and attach this around the skirt. So after attaching it around, this is what we have. So this is how the skirt came out looking like. So it's as easy as this. So thank you for watching, and before I go, I just want to mention that I sell lovely African prints. Please do well to check me out. They are affordable, starting from 6,500 naira upward. So that is it. So thank you for staying up to this point. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.